Yo, what's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me welcome my new viewers. I know it's been a while, hey? It's been a while. So I hope, you will enjoy my content and what I do. And shout out to the people that are grinding. Shout out to the people that are always hustling. And shout out to everybody who's just doing their own thing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. I really appreciate communicating with my viewers and to better understand what you guys like. And I have videos that I did record when I was doing my Wi-Fi extender installments, because I did get a couple of clients. And if you are interested, you want your Wi-Fi range extended, maybe there are some parts in your place or in your home where the Wi-Fi doesn't reach, I can do that for you. You understand? If you do have a Wi-Fi extender but you don't know how to install it, I can do that for you. So I'm that guy. And if you want one and also installations, I can do that for you. I will be showing you, what I've been doing, but it's just bits and bits of, videos, because I mostly work with my hands, so I can't record myself at the same time I'm working. Without any further ado, let me show you guys my work. So yeah. Here I was at my friend's place. I'm installing the extender. Over here we have the existing Vuma line, the fiber line, so I'm going to use the same hole to insert the Cat 7 Ethernet cable for the extender. Hey, tell me to be careful. Yeah. I'm going to navigate sharp. I know about stress already. So here I was looking for the telephone line, so I can use the same hole they drilled to insert the Ethernet cable, which is going to go outside. So unfortunately I couldn't find it, but I found another hole instead, which you will see in a couple of seconds. Okay, I've got the cable. I'm gonna go insert it there. See, there's that light coming from there. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna insert it. Yeah, it's dusty. See, dirty hands make clean money. Yeah, kids, like I didn't know. Need a screwdriver. Oh yeah, I want that packing. Go packing ya ka hona le drill da ne. So then utlo ntsha tshipi e ko pele da o drill. Yeah. Tlo spanisa yona tshipi yo. Le amore yo. It's a dead rat. Skeleton of a dead rat. Sheesh.
Smoke. a vacay, I feel better at work. I mean whatever it's worth, I give whatever I'm worth. For my niggas who gon' go to hell and back for me, I'ma give them heaven on earth for a hell of a check, yeah, whichever come first. Blessings on blessings on.
Okay, so the cable is outside. Now, let's go connect it to the main Wi-Fi. And then we'll pull it again from the outside so it can get to Mesh's bedroom.
Come first. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who've been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just gotta thank God that we got it. Yes. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed a bank, but all we make is deposits. Young profit with profit, oh God.
I ain't gon' say that we back or nothing, cause that implies that we're back from something. If we're back from something, it's some checks you owe us. I expect that payment, nothing less or over. I don't need them favors that you asked me for. I could give 2 fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. Them OVO boys are business, man. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah.
Now we let's get out now. Okay. Yeah, I get to connect yine. I to connect it. Please am I sada. Yeah, do mama read a sharp vibe. And then it like connect it. So I record a can. Let's check it out. I'm happy. Yo, they kill a return. Maybe we can say it's a yeah. Okay, I know. Okay. So we finally got it out. Now just have to go connect it inside Mesh's room, and then I have to mount it properly. You see? Okay. So we've connected the extender. It's working. So it's sharp, ne? Your device name how VC, and it's working. Can you go on YouTube? Okay. Maybe the next video. Yeah. Oh, that's Sosh Plata song. Play the Sosh Plata. Here you go.
It can get worse. The problem is not going to go away by itself. I recommend
Guillaume. Yeah, you're welcome, man. So yeah, it's working properly now, ne? So I just have to mount the cable here. So I just mounted the cable properly. I put on the wall clips, as you can see, for tidy work. You know, there it goes up in the ceiling. So yeah, in the house we done. Now to go do a proper job outside. So unfortunately my battery went low and I couldn't take any more videos, but what I will do is I will make a review video of, you know, the product and how it's working, and hopefully we're going to get the, you know, client also involved in the video so they can give us an honest review based on the product and how they feel about it, you see. So make sure you don't miss out. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. You won't miss any video. Like, comment, and share, you know. Please, for the boy. Away.